Hey everyone, this is Sarah from Phoenix Home Remodeling, and you're listening to the Home Remodel Podcast, the show that helps homeowners avoid the common contractor nightmares and get their dream home they have always wanted. We are experts in home remodeling and remodel design. If you are considering a remodel or want to learn more, just Google Phoenix Home Remodeling and you'll see we provide vital tips to avoid the common contractor nightmares. We have another interesting podcast for you today with useful information. Let's jump right in. Half bathroom layouts for family homes, finding the right fit. Finding a functional yet stylish half bathroom layout for your family home can be tricky. Half bathrooms are some of the most versatile rooms in any house. They serve multiple purposes, from providing an extra restroom during parties to giving kids somewhere nearby to wash their hands before dinner. Finding the perfect match between style and functionality can be difficult. Every home has different features and shapes to consider when planning a new bathroom layout. Discover how to make the most of this tiny but mighty room by selecting the ideal floor plan with our guide to half bathroom layouts for family homes. What is the standard half bathroom size? When designing a family home, carefully hire a bathroom remodeling expert and consider the layout and size of the half bathroom. This type of bathroom is typically located in common areas, such as hallways or near living rooms and bedrooms. Finding the right balance between functionality and space usage is important to optimize the space. A standard half bathroom typically measures between 3 feet by 6 feet and 4 feet by 6 feet, but the size can vary depending on the fixtures you plan to include. Common fixtures include a toilet, sink, vanity, and mirror. When determining the size of your half bathroom, it's also important to consider the plumbing system. If an existing pipe system is already in place, the room's overall size may be affected. Half bathroom floor plans and space planning. Creating a half bathroom floor plan that meets your family's needs is important in designing the perfect home. For many, this means balancing comfort and practicality while avoiding cramped or awkward layouts. When it comes to planning out the space for a half bath, there are several options available. A small square-shaped room can be ideal for squeezing in all necessary fixtures without feeling too crowded. Alternatively, an L-shaped design might work better if you want to include more features like a vanity or extra storage cabinets. If you have a larger area, consider adding an alcove for amenities like a shower or tub. Door placement. Once you've settled on a floor plan for your half bathroom, it's time to determine the best placement for the door. This is an important consideration as it will impact how easily people can access the room and how much privacy they have when using it. Traffic flow. Choose a location that allows the flow of movement in your home, away from main pathways. Clearance space. Ensure enough clearance space around the entryway, preventing anyone from getting stuck or cramped. Ventilation sources. Avoid blocking any windows or ventilation sources within the room. Space saving. Consider installing a pocket door instead of a regular one to save valuable square footage. Fixtures and fittings. To maximize a small bathroom's functionality, carefully planning the available space is important. First, assess the existing plumbing to determine the type of sink or toilet that can be installed. Next, consider incorporating storage options such as shelving or cabinets to organize towels and toiletries without sacrificing floor space. By prioritizing these elements, you can maximize a limited half bathroom area. Half bathroom accent wall. Consider incorporating an accent wall to add extra personality to your half bathroom design. There are various ways to achieve this, depending on your preferences and budget. Here are 3 ideas to get you started. Paint or wallpaper one wall with a bright color or bold pattern that complements the rest of the room. This creates visual interest without overwhelming the small space. Add interesting tile work around the sink or toilet. Mosaic tiles come in many shapes, sizes, and colors, so you can find something to fit your style. Hang eye-catching artwork on the walls. Choose pieces that reflect your personality while fitting in with the room's aesthetic. Lighting options. Considering your lighting options is an essential part of designing a half bathroom that's both functional and inviting. After all, installing the right type of lights sets the tone for the entire space, so it's worth taking some extra time to find the perfect fixtures. Here are 2 tips for choosing the best illumination. When selecting overhead lighting, opt for something with adjustable brightness. This will give you more control over how much light you want in the room at any given moment. Consider adding sconces on either side of the mirror or vanity. 2. These can provide softer, more flattering accent lighting while still being easy to use and energy efficient. No matter what kind of lighting you choose, ensure it's installed properly by a qualified electrician. This will ensure that everything works as intended and provides ample illumination when needed. Accessibility modifications. Depending on your family's needs, you may also consider making accessibility modifications in your half bathroom. These modifications can range from installing grab bars for safety and stability to adding a walk-in shower or wheelchair-accessible sink. No matter what type of adjustments are needed, it's important to ensure they're done properly so that anyone using the space is comfortable and secure. Working with an experienced contractor can help ensure that all required modifications are up to code and meet any applicable requirements. Style considerations. With so many design options, deciding what look and feel best suits your family can be overwhelming. But by considering key elements such as color palette, materials, lighting, and storage solutions, you can create an inviting space that makes everyone in the house feel at home. When it comes to colors, opt for calming neutrals or bright hues depending on the atmosphere you want to achieve. Regarding lighting and storage, try using strategically placed fixtures to give off enough light without overpowering the room's atmosphere. And incorporate unique shelving units or cabinets to organize all necessities without compromising aesthetics. Safety measures. To ensure the safety and comfort of everyone using your half bathroom, consider implementing a few simple measures. Begin by ensuring that all flooring surfaces are slip-resistant, including tiles, laminates, and rugs or mats. Consider adding handrails near the toilet area for extra support. If you have young children, taking additional precautions, such as adding child-proof locks to cabinets that store potentially hazardous items like cleaning supplies, is important. By taking these small steps, you can create a safe and secure environment for everyone using your half bathroom without compromising style or design. The bottom line. Finding the right layout for your family's half bathroom involves combining fixtures, fittings, and accessibility modifications to create a comfortable and stylish space. Planning carefully, like puzzle making, is crucial for achieving a functional and attractive design. The half bathroom should reflect your taste and provide comfort and safety for everyone. As one of the first spaces visitors see, it's worth investing in making it look its best. If you're looking for a reliable design-build contractor to help you create the perfect half bathroom, consider choosing Phoenix Home Remodeling. Our experienced team can guide you through the process, from initial planning to final touches, ensuring you get the bathroom of your dreams. Contact us today to schedule a consultation and start bringing your vision to life. To learn more about this, visit https://phxhomeremodeling.com/adding-a-shower-to-a-half-bathroom. All right, that's everything we have for today. Thanks for listening. If you are interested in remodeling, seeing before and afters, or fun design stuff, check out Phoenix Home Remodeling's website. The web address is phxhomeremodeling.com. Again, that is phxhomeremodeling.com. Or you can just type Phoenix Home Remodeling into the search engine. Thanks again for listening to the Phoenix Home Remodeling Podcast. Have a great day.